Okay. Right, let's go to the indices, NASDAQ, and everything and see what's going to happen so that we can finish off. Right, we'll start with NASDAQ, and then the simple 2 cents question that I'm going to give you today is that remember what is NASDAQ, remember what is gold, remember what is USD, remember what is everything, right? So let's just make things easy. NASDAQ is 100 companies, right? It's 100 companies, which is these companies here. This is your NASDAQ, right? If someone doesn't know what is NASDAQ, this is your NASDAQ, right? NASDAQ, 100 companies. This is your NASDAQ. Everything that is here that you see in front of your eyes is NASDAQ. These companies, they are operated is 100 best performing companies like in United States. The main currency that they use is USD. And then these companies are expecting what? Expecting sales and then customers, consumers, and everything. So if the dollar is going up, meaning the dollar or the base currency that these companies are doing transaction with, meaning that these companies, will they gain value if the dollar is going up, is getting expensive for the consumers? Will these companies get more revenue, or will these companies lose revenue? That's the question for you, Luazitu. The question says, will these companies gain profits or gain anything that they have to gain when DXY, which is dollar index, when the dollar is gaining value? Will these companies benefit on the rise of dollar? Will they make more money? Will they have more customers, or will they lose customers?
I think they will lose customers.
They will lose customers, right?
Yes.
Because of what? Because of it's getting expensive for the customers, right? It will be expensive for customers to do what? To do the transaction while they are using this currency, which is USD, right? So we have the clue of what's going to happen. If dollar is going up, then what must happen with the indices? They must go down. They must go down. So what we are expecting on NASDAQ, we are expecting a sell because of we have seen a buy on the indices. Remember last week I showed you about this take profit. Remember this one here. I measured a distance from here to here, which was a distance from here to here. Check it happened the way. But you must bear in mind that the only thing that I can show you is that you see that NASDAQ created something like a head and shoulder here. This is not going to be the way. It is here to kill people's account. This one. This is not a head and shoulder, my guy. You see what I'm talking about? Here is the head and shoulder, the fake head and shoulder. You can see it's trying to create head and shoulder. Oh, you see. So this one, it will fuck up people's accounts. So I don't believe in this. NASDAQ is going to go down, even gold is going to go down, and so on. So you must just wait for it to break. Let me just analyze it in another way. Remember, as a trader, you have to have 2 senses. You can't just say this is what it is, this is what it is. But like, I'm so happy about my buyers, man. I believe that NASDAQ have to come to this 17,400. That's where we will be taking more buyers again. 17,400. That's where we are expecting it to come. So now we'll wait for it to break this, which is the current support here, this one here. We'll wait for it to break it, and then any continuation correction below that, that's where we enter until here. So for sure, for now, stay away from NASDAQ. Let's go and check other things. Stay away from NASDAQ, because the setup is not yet clean. We want to see clean setup. Okay, let's go and check gold. This is what I can take. This is what I can take. But again, we will be trading against the trend. You will be trading against the trend, and then the overall against the overall direction. What does the overall direction say? We have an impulse that went up, which is phase one, and then we have phase one of our strategy, which is the impulse from here to here. That is followed by a continuation correction. What you are waiting for, we're waiting for any breakout and retest of this area, then we go up. Right? So when you are selling on gold, you will be suiciding yourself. I'll rather wait for gold to come here and break this and retest, then go up. You see, unlike selling it. So, but the overall direction for gold, we have to go down first. You have to give us the last touch here on the support, which is what we are expecting, and then from there, that's where it will go up. They have to give us the V shape that we are waiting for. That will be followed by a correction above, then we'll go up again. That's it. Right? Let's see. And then we have US 30. It is on the support. I killed this last week, so it is on the support. But this support, I don't trust it, but I trust it. Right? Remember, once you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I trust it. Ne? So if I trust it, let me show you what it does when I say twin brother and twin sister. Let me clone it. I want to show you something. When I clone it, you will see that we have already broken. We have already broken the support. This is what will happen when I clone it. You see that is making contradictions. Or if I put line chart, it will be there. See? So when I put the line chart, let me get this one. When I add the line chart, our support will be this one here. And then when we apply twin brother and twin sister formula, and then even if we can apply impulse and correction, but you can see that they have already broken and retested what? Broken and retested this area, even the support, even this was a support, it turned into a resistance now. So meaning on US 30, this is the area of confluence. What is the area of confluence, Mazi? I want to see, I'm not teaching someone who doesn't listen. What is the area of confluence?
Two or more trend meets.
Where?
Two or more trend meets.
Where two resistance or more meet, ne? Okay, this broken the support. If we focus on this, I don't want to contradict ourselves. If we focus on the inner one, ne? This broken it and retested this area here, which was the level here. And then when it retests this area, also it retests what? This support that turned the trend line. What do we call this area? We call it the area of confluence here. Here. Right? And then when we apply when we say it's an area of confluence, again, someone who always respects the strategy that we use will not say this is not the area of confluence. This is a correction again, because of we have a correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction. What you are waiting for, we're waiting for impulse to the downside. And then again, to give it more basis, this is the area of confluence number 1. This is our correction that we have, and then we have an impulse again, which we are waiting for phase 3. And then every time when the market is coming from the area of confluence, the market doesn't wait, the market will spike. You see, we have so many reasons to sell than buy.
Yeah.
So that's why. And then this, when we say we sell, it's still aligned with the dollar index analysis, right? And then we have S&P 500. We have S&P 500. This is S&P 500. I wanted to rope it yesterday, but I can see that it was going to suicide me. I didn't touch it because of the dollar index analysis. This is your S&P 500. Again, on this one, guys, do you know how to apply RCR formula? This one, it always works with RCR formula. You must apply the RCR formula, then you will never go. So on this one, we'll just wait for the market to create a proper continuation correction, like this. And then from there, that's where we'll be taking a buy, because of we are coming from the R zone, we have to come to the C zone, and then we'll go to another R zone. That's where we'll be applying RCR, right? That's what we have to wait for. Remember, it's not a must. Sometimes you have to wait for the market to come to you all the time, so you don't have to force anything. You have to wait for the market to come to you, and then that's the best way to enter the trade. So what I'm waiting for here, I'm waiting for something like a correction, because of we are coming from a nice bearish reversal pattern that we use. We are coming from a nice V reversal pattern that we use, which is what? Which is this one here, which is V, that is followed by a correction. And then what we are waiting for, we're waiting for impulse. It's kind of reversal styles that we want to see when we are on the R zone, right? When we are on the R zone, that's what we want to see. A V that is followed by a correction. That's what we want to see, because we will know we'll enter, and then we will apply the RCR formula, right? I hope you are not lost, man. You still remember what is RCR and everything.
I can still remember.
Okay, let's go to the signals that I sent yesterday on the WhatsApp group. This is the last signal that I sent, which was a GBP AUD, right? This was a GA signal that I sent in the group, and then you still apply the same formula again, RCR formula. And then when we apply the RCR formula, what can you explain? Let's say there's someone who was here in the group who's new and then doesn't know what is an RCR formula, and then he doesn't know how to apply the RCR formula, and then he doesn't know what is it, why we are using RCR formula. Can you try to explain to that person in a short sentences and tell him how, why, and why must we use RCR formula at BullvsBear, and then what is the purpose of it?
The purpose of the RCR formula is to see if you're coming from the trend line and then create a correction to the other support.
RCR is the, yeah, I can hear, but you are cutting. Let me try to explain it in a simple explanation. RCR is here to guide you to see where are you coming from, where are you going to, and then what must you do, and then what is the speed of the market, and then how is the market moving. So as we speak now, we see that we are coming from an impulse, right? Okay, let me just show you the very same thing that I just showed you now. The very same thing that I just showed you about the V that is followed by a correction, it will be followed by an impulse. So now it's for you to track the speed of the moment, how the momentum moves. So now we have an impulse, and then we are coming from the R zone again. Now what is the letter that is in the middle of the trend? We call it C section. A C section, we call it a continuation phase, meaning that from this momentum, what you're going to expect any bullish continuation correction. Then that's where we'll enter again, scale in opportunity again to go and complete the formula on the R zone or above, right? So the RCRs helps you to track the momentum or the speed of the market, and then where are you, and then where are you going. And then again, did I say if we are in an uptrend and then we are coming from the support and then we go to the resistance, must we sell on the resistance when we apply RCR formula? When the market reaches the resistance of the uptrend, must we sell to the support? That's the question.
No.
Perfect. We stay away from the market, we go to McDonald's, and then you go and enjoy the profit that you made from the buys on the uptrend, and then you go and take your girlfriend to vacation until the market come back to the support. That's where you will buy again and then make another money so that you can go to the next destination again, right? On an uptrend, we don't sell on the resistance. We only buy on the support only. We don't sell on the resistance. If you sell on the resistance, you are trading against the overall momentum. And then the only thing that I can tell you, if you are trading against the overall momentum, you will always get caught. I'll rather be aligned with the overall momentum, because of even if I open the trade, then my trade won't take long, then I will be in profit because of I'm following the higher time frame bias, I'm following the overall momentums. Like this trade, if you can check, if you take a sell opportunity, if like let's say this is the trade that I took yesterday, it only, like guys, you will say I'm a witchcraft, guys, please, is my grandmother where she is in the, like, I don't know, in heaven, I don't know, she gave me this skill. So you will say I'm a witchcraft or what? That doesn't matter. I just opened a trade. This is only the time when my trade was in a loss. You check how, like, when you are trading along with the buyers, you will not have depression loss, you will not have stress where you are stressed about your trade, where you say, oh, you babysitting the trade, you are opening your phone, you are closing, you are doing everything. You just open the trade, you know, I'm aligned with the overall buyers. What I'm waiting for now, you're waiting for impulse, because of you know how to identify the correction, you know how to identify the reversal styles, you know how to identify where you are in the market, you know how to identify where you have to exit or where you have to brief pause. The reason when we say a brief pause is in the C section. On the C section, that's where you have to check the market, because of we can't just, we didn't say, I didn't name it a C section only. It's not the C section where a woman is giving birth. It's a C section where the market rests before it can continue again, right? The market rests a little bit, and then the market will just create a correction, consolidation, anything is happening on the C section, right? But still, while it's happening on the C section, it's still a continuation phase. After whatever that will occur here, then the market will still go and complete the resistance, right? Is it clear, guys? Power. Let's go. This is GA. We are still holding the GA, and then the signal I sent is GBP cat again. All right. GBP cat, we are still holding. We are still holding. Let the analysis load. We are still holding on this one again. So on GBP cat, it's a sell, right? I said it's a sell, or I send the signal that is a sell with a nice stop loss there, with a, yeah. If you can explain, let's say someone doesn't understand how we trade, someone doesn't understand whatever that we do, what can you say about this trade, or what can you say about this? What do you see? Remember, guys, it doesn't have to be me who see things while I'm giving you the things. You must always see what market director is seeing so that you can be like me even when I'm not with you. So what do you see? What can you explain to someone who will say, yeah, this is what, this is buy, this is what? What can you say to me and say, you must stop this nonsense? I see this and this and this. What are you going to say to that person who say this is a buy?
I see a sell because you just broken the uptrend.
Okay.
And I hate this trade, but it took me out last week. And we need to complete the rule after the retest.
Which is the 90%. 90% rule of the structure. It broken the 90% rule of the structure, and then it created a consolidation that is not, like you see here, it's not the consolidation that is moving in a normal way. You can see the basis of this consolidation is going up. You can check, it's going up, right? It's going up. When it's going up, what do we call it? Because of we have an impulse that is followed by a consolidation that is going up. And then what we are waiting for, when we apply 1, 2, and then we are done with 3, we are going to 90% rule of the structure. Must I explain again or must I continue?
Then I think we must continue.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. We are on the same page. I don't have to explain myself. Even my student can see I don't have to explain myself. You know, they can see the vibe, right? That's where the money is. What is another one? Okay, let's check USD JPY. USD JPY broken the structure. This one, this one must not play on. But when is G? Okay. Let's see GJ USD JPY. You see this one. You must not believe this one. It's another witchcraft. To stay away from it. You will see it next week. Okay. And then GBP USD again. Let's see. I killed it, I think. There was one of my account where I killed it good. Okay. Here, I applied the simple strategy. You know the vibe. But what is it that I did which is wrong? Guys, I'm not saying, okay, what is it? I just want to hear from you. What is it that I did which is wrong that you see on the chart?
Taking sales on an uptrend.
Power. So this is not like, the reason why I didn't send this is because of it was against the trend. That's why I don't send this kind of signal. I was only going to send the buy here on the support, and then we are fine. If you can see, it's a development of a impulse correction. We're waiting for impulse to the upside. You must be prepared. So that's so taking a sell, it will require your experience and then your self-confidence. It's not correct. If you are taking a sell against the trend, it is a wrong thing or what. But what I'm trying to show you is that when you are avoiding those kind of trade, you are saving yourself from being caught in the market. If you have an experience of knowing where to exit, where to enter, how to enter, then you can still take them, but it requires experience and monitor, like you monitoring those trades. You understand? So on this scenario, I took the sell because of I knew we are in a development of a bullish continuation correction. As you can check, this was a series of momentum. We have phase 1, and then we are in a development of phase 2. What we are waiting for, we're waiting for the market to come here, and then anywhere around here, when the market is giving a reversal sign, like a V, whatever, that's where we'll be buying. That's where I will be inviting you guys to the party, right? Now I'm setting up, I'm making the bookings for the DJs and everything. You must come. I will invite you when we are about to make a lot of money. And then again, there's something that people doesn't see. When you are selling, right? Like let's say I'm selling here and then I take the sell to here. Do you see that when I sell, it's less money than when I buy? So that's another impact again that we are that's please mute yourself, man. Who's this? Right. So that's another thing again. When you sell against the trend, you will make less people. Like for example, if there was someone you rather take this, you rather take this momentum from here to here or from here to here. You see, we even broken this area here. You can see that the buyers are straightforward. The buyers are straightforward. So this is the pullbacks that you must not. You must wait for the market to complete the continuation correction, and then you are done. Let me see. We only have 7 minutes, guys. Let me see. What can we check again? What else? What else? What do you want us to check, guys? Euro NZD. Euro NZD. I missed it for sure. Okay. This one I saw it on the daily time frame. Okay, I missed it for sure. I was waiting for the market to complete this current correction and then it will go up. But it's fine. Here is another one. Yes, here I regret with my I don't know. Here. Here. Yes.
Oh,
Bruh, I closed the trade, man. I closed the trade. I closed the trade. I took a buy here, then I closed it. I even like after giving a breakout and retest here, when it was coming like this, then I said, "Via, this is an exotic pair. Let me run away." In the morning when I wake up, it's up. Again, USD ZAR is moving along with DXY. Never, if you are buying DXY, USD ZAR must go up, right? So we will see. And then this one sometimes respect the support and resistance. Do you see it? Do you see how easy it is? The horizontal support and resistance. Do you see how easy it is? With horizontal support and resistance, USD ZAR. So yeah, I don't know, guys. What is it that you? Let me check another one. JPY. Sorry, I'm late market director. But what is happening? I don't see. I don't know what is happening. So okay. Now guys, I'm not. What about what is happening on NASDAQ? NASDAQ, we are still expecting a selling opportunity, my guy. We are not going to buy NASDAQ. NASDAQ is going to fall because of the dollar index is going up again. Right, NASDAQ is still very, very key that is going to 17,400. So I'm not advising anyone to buy NASDAQ. NASDAQ is coming here. This was our impulse correction, breakout and retest. Then we are waiting for impulse to the downside. So NASDAQ, please don't try to test NASDAQ. It will test you. It's Tuesday again, guys. And then again, guys, this is the time where you have to focus. This is the time where you have to be always in the chart. The market are back to normal trading hours. That's where I always enjoy the chart. That's where I always kill. So make sure that you don't miss out. You are focused. You're going to make sure that there is a thing that I'm going to do about gold. We're going to have the specific accounts where we're going to trade gold only, and then it's a gold challenge where we'll be funding the account and trading gold only on specific account. Please make sure that you participate in everything that you are going to do. The market is back to normal trading hours. The 14:30 is back. The 15:30 is back. There is no longer daylight saving nonsense hour. We are back to the normal hours. So make sure that you put your pieces together so that you can make money. This is the best time. Normally, you don't have to trade December, January, and February. That's like we were just forcing the market. This is the best time to trade again. So make sure that you are on the chart. That's the last 2 minutes. I don't know anything that you want to say. The last 2 minutes is for you. We are still the same on gold. We are waiting for gold to come to the support and then we will buy. And then, I don't know, guys, just unmute yourself and then say anything before we end the session. We only left 2 minutes and then we are done. Make sure that you join the WhatsApp group. You share the WhatsApp link with everyone that you think needs our help. That's it. Anything that you want to say?
Is it still possible to enter those of GB? How? Just start down. Of GBP card.
GBP cap. Let me check GBP. Okay. I know, man. Just wait for the update in the WhatsApp group. I sent you everything on the WhatsApp. Then, yeah. Don't stay away from it. We are waiting for it. I will tell you when we are about to re-enter again. I will send the signal, the notification in the WhatsApp and in the Discord group. The only thing that we are holding today is GBP cat. Let me see the GBP cat. But we are still on entry. It will be selfish if I don't give you this. You can enter, Wazime.
Yes, that's why I was.
You can enter. The stop loss is 1.72663. You can check it on Discord. Thank you, guys. Thank you.